How to create a landing page that gets opt-ins. One of the simplest and best ways to get more people to sign up to your mailing list is to create a successful landing page. This is a single page that will convince new visitors to sign up to your mailing list, with no distractions and no other purpose besides that one singular goal. But while a landing page can be a great tool, not all landing pages are made equal. The question then is, how can you make sure that your landing page is one of the successful ones that actually gets opt-ins? In this presentation, we'll answer that question. The right design. The first thing to consider is that your landing page needs the right design. In particular, a good landing page will have no external links or even any menu elements. You don't want to include any ads, and you don't want anything on the page that will distract your visitors from signing up. This should be a mostly blank page then, and the only way to get out should be for your user to click back. Build trust. Another important aspect of creating a landing page with the right design is to make sure that you build trust. In particular, your landing page should look professional and should feature high-definition images and well-written copy. Anything that looks like spam or that appears to be badly put together will make your visitors concerned to give you their address. Use the right incentive. An incentive, also called a magnet, is a freebie that you will give away in order to encourage people to sign up for your mailing list. This might be a free ebook or a free report. The right incentive should be interesting enough and appealing enough that people who are on the fence about signing up decide to go ahead and do it. It should also be relevant to your target audience, of course. Don't make the mistake of making your incentive too good, though. Otherwise, you'll risk people signing up to your list just to get the freebie, and then quickly unsubscribing or just ignoring your future messages. Focus on the value proposition. Good copy for your landing page should always focus on the value proposition. That means telling the audience what their life will be like after they sign up. The more you can sell this dream and make it sound appealing, the more likely people will be to make an impulse decision to sign up.